Hey guys, welcome to the Flow Train Academy for AWS trainings. Our effort here would be to streamline the learning experience for all the different AWS courses, trainings, and certifications offered. And we would be starting with the foundational course of AWS certifications that is called AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. And our illustrations, our demonstrations would be very structured and would be very graphical. That will help you guys get onto the pace for preparing for the certification. And we will be definitely starting with the structure, I would say. So AWS Cloud Practitioner exam structure, as you can see over here, it is an exam for 90 minutes, number of questions being 65 that are of multiple choice format, and the cost is 100 US dollars. And when I say about format, I would be getting questions which will have options, uh, a single option that needs to be answered, or there could be two or three options, correct options for that particular question that needs to be answered. So these kind of questions would be there in this exam. And coming on to the basics of AWS Cloud, as you can see, the pillars or the core features offered by AWS Cloud and the core highlights, as you can see over here: scalability, high availability, fault tolerance, elasticity. So these are the core ingredients of having services being deployed on AWS Cloud, and these are the main features that your services will have, and it is achieved through a combination of regions and availability zone that ultimately supports the high available architecture and promotes redundancy, and that ultimately helps achieving the fault tolerance. And when it comes to scalability, scalability is uh, the ability of application to scale in a scenario where the traffic increases. And and elasticity is nothing but it's a term that defines the scaling up and scaling down of the servers in scenario in accordance with the load that is there for a application. So we will be definitely studying in more details about more terms, also more AWS terminology, but this is just an introductory session that I just want to give you guys to set some pace for AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. And AWS has global architecture defined in the form of regions, which are nothing but geographical areas, different areas which will have a combination of availability zones, which are nothing but a set of data centers, uh, one or more data center in a particular availability zones that are connected to promote redundancy through low latency networks. So we will be definitely demonstrating in detail in our further discussions and sessions. For now, this is what AWS Cloud is, and watch out for further videos that we will be presenting to you guys. Thank you.